Hey, what is up guys, Human IT here. Today with another topic, I am going to show you how to install the newest Nvidia drivers for your ALIENWARE X17R2 laptop. So let's go into Google. Once you are on their website, you want to actually sign in, otherwise you are not able to download the drivers. Sign in. Then go again here on the right corner. Go to My Products. Click your model. Then you want to go to the Drivers and Downloads tab. In the past, I usually clicked here, check for updates, but in order to do this, you have to download Support Assist. And since Support Assist takes a lot of resources, I don't use it anymore. That's why I download my drivers manually. So I currently have Windows 10 installed. But it doesn't matter if it's Windows 10 or 11, both works fine. And let's see what we can do. I usually click here to see what the latest drivers are. Anyway, Command Center. And this is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. So this is the newest version, which I don't have. So we are going to install this and I will show you how to do this. So just click here, download. Accept everything. And now it's downloading. Now it depends on your internet speed. And I also recommend that you install the drivers that are on their website and not the ones from the official Nvidia website. Because these drivers, which you find on their website, are specifically made for your device. And that's why I usually use only the drivers that are listed here. So once it's finished, go into the folder, right click and run as administrator. Install. Oh yeah, just down on the left here. So we want to close all programs and agree and continue. Now I always like to do a clean installation, so I go custom. And I always like to perform a clean installation. So we go next. So the installation has finished and thank you for watching. This was a quick video. I hope you liked it and see you next time. Bye.